Hi, I'm Denari. I'm 27. I'm from Anambra State, and I'm a sales manager in one of my father's businesses. And I'm a 10 because I am very likable. I'm easily likable. I'm a very likable person. In the BBNaija house, there's nothing I don't think I will not be caught doing. I want to be caught doing everything. Moments that made me want to be part of this experience are, I think, basically just the creativity part of it all. How creative the housemates get with tasks, and I'm a very creative person. I like to be in a creative environment. So yeah, that was one of the main moments I felt like, yeah, I need to be in a creative environment like this. Winning would be unbelievable, because even getting here has been unbelievable for me. I'm a very chill guy. I'm a very laid back, and I like to communicate. I like people that can communicate, people that like to talk about everything. So yeah, that's my vibe. My 10 is basically someone that can communicate, that communicates properly, someone that is a creative like me too, and somebody that likes to talk about everything with me and with anybody that they are close to. So that's basically my 10. I plan to stand in business by my communicative skills, and also I could be a little bit manipulative, so I plan to use that. So I plan to test that out on my fellow housemates. So yeah, that's how I plan to stand on business. I'm the one to watch, and I believe I'll win because I'm very creative and I'm very entertaining, very, very entertaining. I don't think there's a dull moment with me. There's nothing I cannot do, like I said. There's nothing I don't want to be caught doing, and there's nothing I cannot do. So if a fellow housemate is quite lazy, yeah, I'm getting them nominated. Or one superpower I'd like to have in the house is invisibility. I wish I could be somewhere and nobody could see me standing there, or nobody could see me coming in there. Yeah, that is one superpower I would love to have in the house. On Google, one thing you'd never find about me is a sex tape. My relationship status right now, I'm single. I don't really know if I'm searching. I don't really know if I want to get into the whole relationship brouhaha at the moment. Something that would definitely get me from a 0 to 10 would be, like I said, lazy people. People who drag their feet and everything, especially maybe if we have something to do and this is really urgent and we need to like put our heads together to figure it out, and this person is just being too lethargic with it all. Pisses me off, gets me from 0 to 10, gets me really upset.